Chapter 6, Notes, page 10. It says draw a dot and cross diagram for magnesium chloride. So again, we will decide if magnesium chloride is an ionic compound or not. So ionic compound means it must be made up of a metal and a non-metal. So magnesium is on the left-hand side, which is a metal. Chloride is from chlorine, which is a non-metal. Therefore, it forms an ionic bond. So when we draw the dot and cross diagram, we must draw ions. So refer to the periodic table. Magnesium has 12 electrons, looking at the number at the bottom. Chlorine has 17 electrons. Write the configuration down, 2.8.2 and 2.8.7. So our first step will always to be drawing the atoms. So magnesium, we are using dots to represent magnesium, the electrons in magnesium. So 2.8.2 top bottom. Chlorine, we will then have to use cross. Always remember 1 dot, 1 cross. So because the second shell is completely filled, we just fill up everything. For the last shell, top, bottom, left, right, top, bottom, left. And then we check how many electrons will magnesium want to lose. It will want to lose 2 electrons. For chlorine, it will want to gain 1 electron. So let's say the top electron goes over to this chlorine atom. What happens to the bottom electron? This tells us that we need 1 more chlorine atom, so that the second electron from magnesium will go to the other chlorine atom. So we need 1 magnesium and 2 chlorine. Our second step, we will be drawing the ions. So first we draw magnesium 2.8. Next we draw our chlorine on crosses 2.8, and the last shell will have 7 crosses and 1 dot from the magnesium. Then we must put in our brackets 2 plus charge because magnesium is in group 2, minus charge because it's in group 7 for chloride, and because we need 2 chloride ions, we put a number 2 in front of the chloride ion. So next, that is how we draw the dot and cross diagram for magnesium chloride. How about our chemical formula? So since there is 1 magnesium and 2 chlorine, we write MgCl2. The other way you can use your charges, you must make sure that they are balanced, and that will also give us MgCl2.